If you want to make this a round system with changing maps, make sure to stay until the end of the video to find out how to do it. And of course, as always, you can get this model inside of my Patreon, link is below. Okay, let's start with creating the maps. So I won't really actually spend a lot of time modeling these. Let's make this into grass and give it a bit of color. And then, you know what, we can get some boulders or rocks. Okay, so now that you have all of that, I want you to select it all and group it. Of course, don't forget to anchor the thing. And we can name this grass map. And I will just copy it. I will get rid of this tree. And we'll change this into sand. This looks right. And that will rename it into sand map. And let's do one more. It will also contain these rocks, change it into maybe limestone, like that, and we can rename this ice map. And just for the sake of it, let's change all of these into actual ice maybe. I guess these three will do for now. So then try to center one of your maps at the spawn, and then I will copy the position, or actually we can just make all the positions. Okay, maybe not 0, 0. How high is this? So maybe 0, 7, 0. Think that should be good, and paste the positions in the other ones, so they're in the same place right now, so we don't have to worry about like C-frame and getting the primary part and stuff like that. Then you will cut the maps and go to the server storage and then create a new folder, and we will call this folder maps. I have some other folders, but you don't need to worry about that. We only need the maps folder. And now the next thing we're going to do is make a new remote event. We can call this update timer, and then we will make a new script inside the server script service. We can call this map handler. That sounds good. We can get rid of this, and now we'll start scripting. So first we'll get maps folder. We can get service server storage dot maps. Now we'll get the actual all maps, and that will be equal to maps folder get children. But actually, you know what? No, get rid of this line, because in your game you might have a system where that folder updates. So if it somehow adds new maps, we'll change that line later in the script. But we will get the replicate storage and then get the update timer we just made. And maybe I should have done find first child here. So let's do that. Okay, so inside the starter GUI, we'll insert a screen GUI. We can name it timer, and I will insert a local script. Actually, let's close it for a minute, and we can even do with a frame, resize it a bit. So I will spend a minute designing this, so see you back after I'm done with that. Okay, so I don't usually use these bright colors, but I think this is okay. So after you have your frame, insert a text label inside of it, resize it, and I'll just get rid of the background. And actually, I will change the text. Let's see how this looks. Yeah, that looks okay. Maybe I should change it to white and add a slight stroke. Okay, that actually looks good, not bad. Okay, so after you have that, we'll copy it and move it down. So does it have space? Okay, it does. And we'll rename the down one selected map, so the players know what's the map's name they're on. And this can be timer text. And let's just change the text of the second one so we don't confuse it. Selected map, ice map. And then we should probably put like spaces between these. So now that we have that, let's start scripting with our local script. We can rename the script to timer handler or something. And now, first thing we'll get is update timer. So that's the remote event we have. Game get service, replicated storage, and now we'll do timer text equals script.parent.frame.timer text, and local map text equals script.parent.frame selected map. Yeah, okay. I will make a local function update time. Bro, I can't type today. I don't know what's happening. And we'll do current time. And we can also do selected map. Yeah, that's right. Okay, and then we'll do local minutes equals math.floor. And then inside of this, we can do current time and divide that by 60. And then we can do local seconds equals current time, and then percentage 60. So this is basically for formatting the time, and we'll get formatted time, and then we can do string dot format. How is it oh yeah, okay. So let me just type this out. Like that. So this is basically how the time will display. Oh no, that doesn't need to be capitalized. Okay, like that. Timer text dot text equals format the time, and let's do map text dot text equals we can do select. Bro, I really can't type today. Selected map colon no dot selected map. Okay, so that should work, and of course let's do update timer on client event connect, and we'll make a function inside here. So we'll do update timer display, but here we need to get these two, so let's just copy these, paste it down here, and also paste it inside of this. Okay, so as you can see at the top of my screen, yeah, okay, so the time passed, and okay, I should have probably set the timer to a bit less, so let's just do that. So I will set it to like 10 seconds, or maybe even 5. Yeah, let's do 5. So when I just join the game, we have like, okay, this should have maybe said lobby. Something's not working. Okay, seems we have an error, so let's fix that. Okay, so to fix it, you need to get to the line 11 at the selected map text, and then we will do toString, and then inside of these put selected map. So that should now fix it. So here we have it, selected map colon lobby, and when the timer goes down, it has changed to send map, and it should change to the lobby again. Yeah, it works, so no bugs anymore, and it even prints out game over, lobby loaded, map, grass map has been selected. So yeah, that's how you make a timer system and changing maps inside of Roblox Studio. If you want to learn more, click the video on the screen.